morning, everyone. Welcome back to our kitchen and welcome back to our channel. Pull yourselves up a chair, sit down, and let's cook something delicious together. We're going to make some breakfast this morning, and with our breakfast, we're going to make some $1 million bacon. So the first thing you want is some thick cut bacon and a baking sheet. And we're just going to put this out in a single layer. Right on this baking tray. That smells good. That is a nice, good, thick bacon. Look at that. While we're preparing this, we actually turned our oven on. We have it preheating to 400 degrees. Try to get them spaced so they're not touching. Seems to be pretty good. You're going to need a bowl to mix your $1 million stuff in that you're going to put on top of your bacon. So you need a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Now I have an 1/8, so I'm going to use 2 of these in my bowl. So there's an 1/8 and an 1/8 makes a 1/4. So I got a 1/4 cup of brown sugar in there. You're going to do 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, a teaspoon of black or white pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon to a half, depending on how hot you want it, of some red pepper flakes. Now you're going to give that a stir, so it looks like this. You see that? Just until you get all your brown sugar and your pepper. It's all the dry ingredients in there. Nice and mixed together. Like so. You're going to brush or spoon this over your bacon. Got a little Otato Scully. He might work well for this. So I'm just kind of spooning it on evenly and then we'll smooth it out. Our oven is to temperature. We're going to go ahead and put our bacon in. We're going to cook that for about 20 to 25 minutes. There we go. Just pulled that bacon out of the oven. We're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. That looks amazing. $1 million bacon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Till next time, stay cooking.